Installing a horizontal column radiator today. So we've ripped up the floorboards, we've got to move the pipework in. There's the rad. It's quite a nice one, to be honest with you. So there you have it, rad's on the wall. Just doing a bit of pipework. Job done. Installing an outside tap today. So first off, we need to run all our pipe work. We're going to run it along this wall, bring it down all the way along, drill a hole through the wall to the other side and insert our tap. So we're just soldering up the pipe work now. It's all been clipped up. It's my drill stuck in the wall. The battery died. Turn the water back on, test for leaks, and the job's a good one. All nicely clipped up, even got an isolation valve there for the winter. All working. So I've been called out to this job. Basically the shower's letting by and it's not shutting off. I put a new valve in now, but it still hasn't done the job. So when I took it out, I had a good look inside, and I don't know whether you can see that in now, but it looks like it's cracked or chipped off inside. So when the rubber washer at the end of it tries to make a seal, it's seeping through the little gap. So the only way to solve this is with a reseating tool. This is a Rothenberg one. I'll put a link in the description below on where you can get these from. They're a very good tool. Some people do take the heads off of these, the ends off, and put it on a drill. But for the video purposes, for people who've never used them before, I'm going to show you the way most people do it. So as you can see, it's starting to clean up the end inside now, but it still needs a long way to go. So we can pop it back in and see what it looks like afterwards. So that's what it should look like. Nice flat surface. There's a lot of swarf there, so you're going to need to get that out. I would recommend taking off the head of your hose and flushing it through if you can. And try and clear out as much as you can, because you don't want to clog up your shower head with all this metal swarf. So that's it. Popped it back in, popped the head back on, and the job was a good one. Perfect. So I was on the same job and the guy said to me he's got a dripping tap downstairs. So whilst I had the tool out, I thought, why not? Clean up the surface. Didn't actually need a new valve in this one. The rubber looks actually okay, so I just cleaned it up the same way as I did with the shower. As you can see, nice and clean. I then popped the valve back in and tested it. Perfect, job's a good one, no more dripping. Simple as that, guys. So guys and girls, please don't forget to like, subscribe, click that notification bell to keep up to date with all our latest videos.